Okay, so, Kelv, let's go. It's a shame that Kelvin is staying out of caves. He's smart, yeah, but I mean, come on, man. Give me a hand. Like, those caves are creepy. No, not the lighter. Not the lighter. Pick up this one, man. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so we are... Yep, that's a dead friend. Yeah, 3 9mm, 3 bullets. Wow. Like 1, 2, 3, and that's it. That's it. Then I'm dead. What do we have here? More flares. They are handy. Oh, 3 more. That's nice. Let's just... I don't care about the bullets. Seriously. I don't care. I'll just go with this in my hand and that's it. Okay. So I'm afraid. I really do. I'm afraid. But oh, wow. 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 Maybe we'll try to do this old-fashioned melee oh man, please. Oh man, please. Please don't jump on me. Please don't jump on me. Please. Please, I beg you, please. Oh no, what is this? What is this? This is a mutant or a part of the cave? Oh man, oh man. I don't know. I'm hearing steps or... Oh my god, please. No, I can't do that. No. I'm with the gun, man. Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, what was that? Lord, please. Okay, water. I love water. I love water. But what? What? What's that? Can I drink the water? Can I drink the water? No? Seriously? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. He's walking on the... Please don't tell me he's... No, it's a shallow water and he's in it. Oh no, okay. The mutants do not afraid of water. Okay. Oh, another one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big Papa mutant. Oh no. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do, I will try to avoid them because I don't have... Oh my god, he's fast. I think I'll try to avoid them and just run for my life, because I want to see what is within this cave. And well, it is what it is. I really want to... Oh my god, he's fast. Oh, I think the flashlight... Yeah, I need batteries. Oh my god, please! I need batteries. Let's see. Yep. Let's do that. Yeah, yeah. Strong flashlight, yeah. What's up, man? Oh my god. Ugly... Oh my god, they're so fast. I'm so scared. Oh no! Oh my god! Please, just run! Run, man! Oh my god, there's so many! Oh my god! Oh my god! Where should I go? I don't know! Oh my god, I'm getting chills. Please. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Please, don't you dare killing me! Please. Run, man, run. You're so slow, man. Come on. Oh my god, please. Oh shit! Run. Run, man. Run. Please, man. Please. Please, let me find something, man. Seriously, let me... Chopped heads, chopped hands, legs. Oh my god. Oh my god, please just don't. Oh, I need some help. Take this one. Come on, do it fast. I know it's eating, but please. Drink. And I need health. Like ASAP. Great. Okay. Okay. Let's try the flares, because I want to see what's ahead of me. Come on, man. Come on. I need the lighter. Come on. Yep. Okay, let's throw this one. I just threw it to the water. Great. This is great. This is great, man. Okay, I can't do it. I need a flashlight. I can't do it. I can't. Just can't. Where's the gun? No, not the spear. Not the spear. They look like squirrels to you? Please, just let me be. Oh, more flares. That's always good. What is this? Rebreather. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Wow. I have water tank and I have the rebreather, and now I can dive. Let's take it. Well, it was worth the heart attack. The rebreather. Now, I think we need to dive, but I'm not sure. Yeah, you see? Oxygen. That's amazing. And I've collected a few water tanks to fill that up, but we'll try to explore a bit more here, and then we'll decide. Yep, it seems like we just need to dive. Okay, this is the only option, I think. So, we'll do that. Yeah. But I can see nothing. Where's the flashlight, man? Situation like this, it's always smart to get close to the wall. So this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we have the rebreather. Amazing. We can dive. This is one long swim. Why the light? I don't understand. Why the light? Oh, plants. Let's see. Where's my flashlight? What is this? Oh, we got outside. We took the rebreather and we got outside. That's amazing. Okay. I think we need to get out of the water like right now because there are sharks in the water.